Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're taking a journey into one of your body's most complex organs.
2 million. That's how many working parts are in each of your eyes. Let's follow a single light beam.
Okay, our journey starts at the cornea. It's the clear outer dome that actually breathes air.
And it's packed with nerves. If it senses dust, bam, your eyelids blink the threat away instantly.
Okay, so here's the path light takes. First up, it has to get through that cornea.
Next, the light goes through the pupil. And get this, it's not a black dot, it's a hole.
When it's super bright out, the iris, that's the colored part, makes the pupil tiny to protect your eye.
But in the dark, the iris opens that pupil wide, letting in as much light as possible.
After the pupil, light hits the lens. It's about the size of an aspirin and focuses the image.
If that focus is off, things get blurry. Nearsighted, the focus is too short. Farsighted, it's too long.
The image lands on the retina, the screen at the back of your eye. But here's where it gets weird.
The lens flips the light, so the entire world is projected completely upside down. Yeah, really. Your brain fixes it.
So the retina isn't just a screen. It's covered in tiny receptors that turn light into electrical signals.
These are your rods and cones. Cones handle color and detail, while rods take care of the dark.
It's amazing. You see millions of colors with just 3 types of cones: red, green, and blue.
All right, those signals then shoot down the optic nerve. Think of it as a data cable to your brain.
Now, where that nerve connects, there are no receptors at all. This actually creates a blind spot. Want to find yours? It's easy. Close your right eye, stare at the plus, and the dot just vanishes. But wait, you don't walk around seeing a big black hole, right? So what's going on here? It's your brain. It just fills in the gap based on what's around it. Pretty incredible, huh?
In the visual cortex, your brain gets to work. It flips that upside-down image and builds what you see.
So if your brain literally invents what you see, it makes you wonder, right? What else aren't you seeing?